I am Melissa Johnson. I am team rep at Basic.
And my name is Ashton Johnson, and I'm also a teammate at Beyond Basic, and we both helped found Beyond Basic Life Skills.
Yeah, life skills.
So Beyond Basic teaches adults with intellectual disabilities life skills and independence, working on vocational skills, being out in the community, and promoting true inclusion.
We met Amanda actually when she was part of Leadership Dorchester. Amanda in her class helped us raise money so we could have outdoor programming during COVID and still learn and created a really good experience.
I'm building a railroad right now, so I'm literally building my community. But if I can do it in more ways than one and see the impact that it makes for the people in the community, I think it's a really rich reward. Everything from gardening, kitchen skills, pottery skills, art, music therapy. It's just really cool to kind of run the periphery and see all the great things that are happening. I got a call and, hey, by the way, the grant you sponsored was a recipient, and so it was really great news to share. I turned around and called Ashton and Molly. We got to do a little check presentation with a teammate.
We have over 48 teammates that we serve, and we also wanted to upgrade our cooking program because a lot of our friends don't always have access to healthy meals. And then also we want to teach them how to prep and cook these meals.
The grant funded a kitchen renovation to provide a more accessible space for teammates. As you may imagine, maybe countertops need to be at a lower countertop height, or different aspects of the kitchen needs to be built around ways to accommodate different abilities.
World change takes awareness and takes people, learning new social issues, learning things that maybe are happening right next to them that they're not seeing. So thank you for seeing us.
Thank you, HDR.